It's 369. Damn, you fine. One more time, get low. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I do my acrylic looking nails at home. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right on into it. So I'm starting off with my nails cut, and then I'm actually going to file them as well. Pick out the nail tips that are the correct size for each finger. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is glue them on. So I like to put glue on the nail and on my actual nail. Okay, so we got the nails all glued on. You can keep them this long if you'd like, but personally I would be useless if I kept them this long. And even though I'm about to cut them, I'm still low-key useless with them the length that I'm about to cut them, but whatever. So I just like to take the nail clippers and just as far as the nail will fit in, that's where I cut them. This is my least favorite part. I don't know about you guys, but I hate the feeling of getting my nails filed, but whatever. So now I'm gonna file them into like a coffin shape, kind of, sort of. I'm just gonna go like with the shape of the nail, just give it like a little bit more of a shape. So I'm all done filing. I'm going to be using this Sinful Colors. This is in the shade Ruby 369. Okay, so that's my first hand done, no cleanup or anything. So yeah, I feel like my camera's making it look so weird, but yeah.